94 closed in both directions this weekend between 169 and 100. That closure begins Friday at 10 p.m., runs through Monday morning at 5. Detours will be posted for that one. 52 northbound closed this weekend between 494 and 94. Again, begins Friday 10 p.m., runs through Monday at 5 a.m. 94 just westbound between Highway 280 and Cedar Ave. This one's shorter, Sunday 4 a.m. through noon. It's just a few hours Sunday morning. And then 212 closed this weekend between 62 and 494. Different times depending which direction you're traveling there on 212. Eastbound starts Friday at 7 p.m., runs through Tuesday at 10 p.m. Westbound starts a little bit later, Saturday at 3 p.m. and again runs through Tuesday at 10 p.m.